Hey everyone, welcome back to another Get Ready With Me. So in this Get Ready With Me, this look is going to be focused around the eyes, and we are going to be doing the cartoon eyeliner. This trend was like so popular a few years back, and if you didn't know me, hi, my name's Brooke, and I always jump on trends after they've been over for years and no one cares about them anymore. But yeah, I still really wanted to do this trend. I thought it would be fun and interesting and new to do, so that's what we're doing today. So let's just go ahead and jump right on into this video. I already did my full face makeup, other than like contour and blush and all that sort of stuff, and I also did my eyebrows. So yeah, let's just jump right on in to the eyes. So I'm just going to be curling my eyelashes and applying some mascara. And I almost forgot to apply some eyeshadow. I'm just going to be dipping into two of the more brown shades in this eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply it with my fluffy crease brush. I'm just going to be applying those shades into my crease just to add a little bit more color, dimension, just a little bit more something to the eyes other than just the cartoon eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with my first eyeliner to start off the cartoon eyeliner that we're going to be doing. I'm just going to be using this plain black liquid eyeliner from CoverGirl, and then the pop-up color that we are going to put in the cartoon eyeliner is this color right here. This is a liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade Diamond, and I knew I wanted to use the shade mainly because I'm never going to be using this on my lips. It's just not the most wearable color for me, but I also wanted to do this liquid lip in honor of Jeffree Star's dog Diamond that recently passed away. So that's the shade that we are going to be using for our cartoon eyeliner. And to apply the liquid lip onto our eyes, I'm just going to be using one of these like really skinny brushes just to dip into the liquid lip and apply it right onto the eyes. And of course, I want to mention Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks are completely safe to use on the eyes, so I just want to throw that out there. So first, I'm going to go in with the black liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to line the top and bottom lash line. And then from there, I'm going to meet those two lines together and start the wing. And in this clip, you can see that I have our winged eyeliner mapped out, and now we can go in and apply the purple color. Now that we have all of the purple color applied, I'm just going to let that dry down a little bit, and I'm going to just apply some mascara on my lower lashes, and then I'm going to go back in with the black liquid eyeliner and just touch up the edges around the purple. Now that the eyes of this look is complete, I'm going to go in and finish up the rest of my face makeup by applying bronzer, contour, blush, and highlighter. Next, I'm going to be applying our lip color for this look, and I decided to apply Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Posh Spice, just because that's a little bit more of a cooler tone nude color, so I thought it would look really good with the purple in our Cartoon Eyeliner. And once the lips are done, I will be applying some setting spray, and then this look will be complete. And that is it for this Get Ready With Me featuring this cartoon eyeliner. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I mean, I know it could be a little bit more cleaner looking, but it was something new that I've never done before, so I think it turned out all right. So if you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I'm going to get going for now, but I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.